My name is Vito. I've been coming to Dr. Sperling for about a year and a half. I was pleasantly surprised of the amount of attention that I received coming here. You know, I had been to another doctor previously. I didn't think I was getting the right information, you know? So then my wife said, let's go to this guy, Dr. Sperling. Right away, I got the feeling like this place was like a family style kind of thing going on here. Everybody was good with each other, you know? Like, I never thought implants, like, reachable. I thought that was one of those things I wasn't gonna end up getting. I couldn't smile. I mean, just to eat, tear into food. He came up with this game plan. It was extremely reasonable. He did what he said he was gonna do, man. Let me tell you something, these things are like Lamborghini, Ferrari. I can't explain it, man. They're part of me. They're better than real. Because I know all I had was problems with my real teeth. The lower end of it, you know, he did the Invisalign, the deep cleaning, and he brought them back to life. No more pain. I've always had pain in my teeth. It's a better life right now. I can't explain it. Even my sleep is better. I used to have sinus problems. It's all cleared up. Forget about a monetary. It's life-changing. It's a life-changing thing. Oh, the staff is unbelievable. They're all beautiful people. I'm good at first impression. They all like what they do, man. There's not one bad apple in this place, man. You know, that's how I feel. Thank you to the staff, to the family. Dr. Sperling is the real deal. One of those things I found, I was lucky finding. I'm sure he's in it for the money, but he's really not in it for the money. This is like it's a passion for him to take care of people. He does a great job.